Today, I'm showing you 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026, and none of them are fake guru nonsense. In this video, I'm giving you the real passive income ideas that normal people can start today. You won't need a huge budget, you won't need special skills, and you won't need to chase risky trends or buy scams. Here's what we're doing. The 10 passive income ideas, how fast each one can start paying, how much time they take, why some people fail, and the one idea that changed everything for me. Stay on to the end because I'm going to show you the passive income ideas, the one that made money even when I forgot it existed. And yes, this video took a long time to build because I wanted a guide that actually helps you. So let's make it worth it. You came here to learn passive income ideas that work today and work without you spending your whole life on them. So let's get right into it. By the next 8 minutes, you'll have a full list of real ideas, simple examples, and a plan you can use tonight. Let's start with the easiest one, the one you can build before you go to sleep. So passive income idea number one is high yield savings, the quiet starter. This one sounds simple, but it's a passive income idea. A high yield savings account, this is where your emergency fund grows on its own. Your money earns interest daily without doing anything. Now, it won't make you rich, but it gives you something powerful, a safe base to build from. You're getting paid while you sleep, and you're lowering stress at the same time. Everyone starts here. Smart people never stop using this. Now, passive income idea number two, index funds, the set and forget engine. Index funds are passive income in the purest form. You invest your money in a basket of hundreds of companies, and the money grows without you having to think about it. You don't have to pick stocks. You don't have to time the market. You don't have to time charts. Index funds grow while you work, while you rest, while you're at the store taking care of your kids. This is the foundation of long-term passive income. And the best part, you can start with tiny amounts such as $5, $10, $20. This is where normal people build wealth. Now, passive income idea number three, dividend stocks. Checks while you sleep. Dividend stocks pay you money just for owning the stock. Think of them like thank you payments from companies for backing them. Some companies pay every 3 months, some every month. Dividends are not get rich quick. They start small, grow slowly, and then one day when you look back and realize you built a real second income stream. Most people don't get rich off dividends alone, but they help you buy back time. Now, passive income idea number four, digital products, the ones that you make once and sell forever. This is one of the fastest ways to get passive income. Digital products can be templates, budget sheets, checklists, guides, PDFs, simple tools, ebooks, and even planners. You make them once, you put them online, and they can make money forever. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve a small problem someone else is having. People are not buying you, they're buying time. They want shortcuts. And yes, I'll be honest, the first sale feels unreal. Now, passive income number five, the YouTube Evergreen videos, your best long-term asset. YouTube is passive income when you do it right. Not trending topics, not some hype or some drama. I'm talking about evergreen videos, videos people search for every day, year after year. Topics like money, skills, taxes, credit, saving, investing, jobs, simple life tips. If one of your videos takes off, it can pay you for months, sometimes years, without making anything new. Even a video that earns $3 a day becomes $90 a month. Imagine 10 of those videos. This is one of the most powerful passive income machines online. And now, passive income idea number six, simple real estate. Mind you, this is not about Airbnb. Everyone thinks of big real estate, flips, Airbnbs, or fancy rentals, but simple long-term real estate is the real passive income. A small home in a normal neighborhood, a simple renter who stays for years, a property that just sits there and grows. This is slow, peaceful passive income. Once the property is set up, it works quietly in the background of your life. You don't need to buy today. Learning now is an investment all by itself. Now, passive income idea number seven, affiliate marketing with no followers needed. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend something and get paid when someone buys it. No, you don't need millions of followers. You don't need huge traffic. You don't even need to be famous. You just need to share something helpful, whether that's a money tool, a budget app, a book, a simple website, a financial product, a skill course, or even a checklist. People buy things every day. If you recommend something that truly helps them, you earn. This is one of the simplest passive income ideas with the lowest startup costs. And here's passive income number eight, print on demand, which requires no inventory and no shipping. Print on demand means you design something once and a company prints and ships it for you. You can make t-shirts, hoodies, notebooks, stickers, phone cases, wall art. You never touch the product. You never store anything. You never ship anything. You create one design, upload it, and earn money every time someone buys it. This works best when your designs are simple and clear. All right, here's passive income idea number 9, automated small businesses. This sounds big, but it's simple. There are basic online businesses that feel passive once they're set up, like a simple website that gets traffic, a small digital store, a daily newsletter, a niche advice page, a simple membership, a searchable guide, a job board, a tool directory. At first they take work, but once they start moving, they turn into tiny machines. The money comes in without you being there every second. This is how many people build their first real passive income. Here's passive income idea number 10. This is the passive income idea no one respects, but it's the one that separates people who struggle from people who win. When you learn small skills and stack them, even tiny ones, you unlock new income streams when you're not around. Here are some examples: writing and design, editing and storytelling, tech and communication, money skills and teaching, research and templates, talking and planning, basic coding, and simple tools. Most passive income comes from skills, not luck. People with more skills build more streams. People with more streams buy back more time. And people with more time make smarter decisions. Here's the twist. The passive income idea that shocked me the most wasn't real estate. It wasn't index funds. It wasn't YouTube. It was a digital product I made in under an hour. And it made sales for months. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't fancy. It wasn't even good looking. But here's why it worked. People don't pay for beauty, they pay for help. This showed me something huge. Passive income is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about solving tiny problems that real people have. You don't need to know everything, you just need to start. Now here's where things speed up. Once you build even one passive income stream, even $1 a day stream, something crazy happens. Your brain realizes, hold on, my money can work for me too? This feeling becomes a chase. You want to build another one, then another, then another. Not because of greed, but because you finally see what's possible. Money working for you is a whole different life. Most people fail not because passive income is hard, but because they can't get through the bridge. The bridge is the boring part, the slow part, the quiet part, the part where nothing happens at first. That is where people quit. But freedom is built here. Small steps create big change. 10 minutes a day on a new skill, one simple idea for a product, $5 invested weekly, one short video a day, one page of notes every night. The bridge feels slow until it suddenly doesn't. And when you look back, you'll be shocked at how far you come. Now, this is the truth no one ever tells you about passive income. And once you understand this, you will stop feeling behind and start feeling in control. The truth is this: passive income is not really passive at first. You do the work up front. You build the system, you set up the pieces, and most days it feels like nothing is happening. It feels slow, it feels quiet, it feels like you're not moving. But here's the secret: passive income is like planting seeds. Nothing grows the same day you bury the seed, but every day that seed is doing something underground. You just can't see it yet. Every small step you take is a seed. Every new skill is a seed. Every video, every product, every page you write, every idea you try, they are seeds. Most people quit before the seeds grow. They dig them up too soon, wondering why nothing is working. But the people who wait, who water, who keep going, are the ones who wake up one day and realize their life looks different without them even noticing when the shift happened. Here's the part that will surprise you. Your first passive income stream is always the hardest. The second is easier. The third is even easier. By the time you have your fourth, fifth, or sixth stream, you start to feel something new, which is security. Not the fake kind from a single paycheck, the real kind that comes from knowing you are not trapped by one income source anymore. This is why passive income matters. Not because it makes you rich overnight, but because it gives you back something you can't buy, which is peace, time, and control over your future. And once that feeling hits you, you never want to go back. You now have the 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. These are not based on hype and not dreams and not tricks, just real things normal people can do. Pick one today, start small, build slow, and let it grow. And if you want, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe now and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.